This is not going to be an install video. This is simply a video showing a little bit of comparison between the OEM factory sport mirrors, which are useless when you're towing any kind of a trailer. The only thing these mirrors are good for is running around just like this with a bare truck. I figured if I didn't like them, I would go ahead and upgrade them, and that's what I'm doing now. We decided to go with the mirrors from Boost Auto. They are heated mirrors, but they do not have running lights. These are amber turn indicator, and they have the puddle lights. Puddle lights is coming up under here. Actually, two of them here and there. Puddle lights are nice. And on the driver's side, these mirrors came without any kind of a convex mirror. So you could see your blind spot. These are stick-ons, very cheap, but that's the only thing I could find that kind of fit the contour of the mirror. I kind of like that. It's already got a bad spot on it. So here's what it looks like driving. And on the right side, and when towing the camper, I got to slip on these cheap $55 mirror extensions. Let's slip them on and take a look. Okay, so here's the mirror extensions. These extensions I think were 55 bucks delivered. They do the job. You need this extra distance to see back of your trailer. In my case, it's a 35-foot RV fifth wheel, but they do work well. They were more stable than I thought they would be. Right side the same way. The worst part about these, as you can see here, you're covering up your turn indicators, which is not too big a deal, but more importantly, you cover up your puddle light if you're traveling at night. And when I just added on the new Havoc step, I definitely want that lit up at night. These look kind of Mickey Mouse, but they're not too bad. You slide them on. A plastic wedge goes in here. The thumb screws go in. They're not coming off. The mirrors I'm putting on from Boost Auto, they're going to be the Ram OEM style. The replacement mirrors, they're going to have the temp sensor on it, they're going to have a turn indicator, and they're going to have puddle lights. I did not opt for the running lights, and I also did not opt for the Power Fold. The Power Fold is another $200. I've owned this truck for 5 years and have never folded my mirrors in, so I don't need Power Folds. Your mileage may vary. Let's get on the new ones and we'll take a look. Well, the install is a piece of cake. All you need is a few trim tools to deal with the trim on the inside of the door. Be careful with your wiring harness. Driver's view is here. And now we'll fold them out. This pivots up. See if I can do it. Like that. Very solid. There's the driver's side view right there. I really like the big convex section on it. Only the upper section is heated. You can get the bottom part heated too, if you want. There's a puddle light. That just went off. Turn indicator. Thanks for watching. Travel safe out there.